It's my pleasure to be here today to talk about leading innovation in this data era. Most of the people in this meet are technology professionals. This picture very much represents our world, isn't it? This is just a small sampling of all the technologies we have to deal with. If you feel intimidated by this, you should be, because it is hard to figure out how these technologies are related. What is the relationship between a social technology and autonomous vehicles, for an example? Is there any commonality amongst each of these or either of these technologies displayed on the slide? Now, the good news is that there is one common thread underneath all these technologies, and that thread is data. Every technology that we are dealing with is involved in the data ecosystem. It is either producing data, moving, managing, storing, or either is it analyzing and getting insights from the data. This is going to become even more important as time goes by, because this ecosystem is expanding at an unprecedented rate. We predict that by 2025, the amount of data produced will exceed 163 zettabytes. This is several orders of magnitude larger than the data produced, in fact, in last year. And trust me, it's exponentially growing. So it's very important that we all believe that data is not an cost to any organization. Data is not an expense. In fact, data is an asset. And that's why we call this era as a data era. Business and technology leaders around the world have accepted their organizations needs to be digital in this data era. And most of them have started their journey towards digital transformation. While organizations have aspirations and have taken steps towards the same, let me just bring forward an interesting Forrester study that I'm pretty sure most of you would echo with. The study highlights that most organizations are not able to innovate fast enough. They are having their own sets of challenges as they have to embark their journey towards digital transformation because of the traditional approaches persistent in their organizations. So as your customer demands increases and your cost and competitors' responses accelerate, slow, steady, and safe won't win the race to win, serve, and retain customers in this data era. So digital economy, and most importantly, data, is the key tenet that is driving force behind to reinvent IT. So now when digital economy is driving reinvention of IT, we at Dell Technologies believe that to sustain competitive advantage, you will need to adapt to rapidly changing and uncertain market, customer, and technology conditions consistently faster than your competitors. In fact, we can help your organizations to empower you to master the essential people, process, culture, and technology competencies you need to provide a foundation for digital innovation. Whether it is smart homes, smart manufacturing, autonomous cars, connected clothing, health, or fitness, the world around us is increasingly becoming digital, creating exciting opportunities for your organizations to deliver superior customer experience, reinvent business models, and even disrupt or enter new industries. These digital business opportunities are only going to expand with the adoption of emerging technologies such as Internet of Things, the next generation of communications such as 5G and beyond, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and virtual reality. While these emerging technologies fire our imagination because of the new possibilities they can potentially unlock, the reality today is that most IT organizations must first master the essential modern competencies they need to provide, and that is the foundation of digital innovation. Having a platform to develop products, having that platform to be most optimized, give consistent experience, and most importantly, protect uh, the data generated across the platform. This is the operating model which drives the innovation for IT in this digital era. And as businesses rush to transform and capitalize on this opportunity, they realize that there are two major forces putting pressure on their IT infrastructure, which is hindering their overall digital transformation efforts. The first one being data. More data types exist today, isn't it? Block, file, object, containers, etc. and etc. The list can go on. These today are existing more than ever before, and the requirements to support data very widely has also increased. Data is no longer confined to the data center. It is created, processed, and stored everywhere, including the edge and the cloud. The second part is operations. IT organizations are now expected to operate with the same agility and economics as a public cloud. Most of you might resonate with it. They must continuously evolve to address the ever-expanding demands of both their data and their businesses. So how can IT organizations and you as driving factors of IT organizations address the data needs and improve agility to enable digital transformation in this data era? Let's see. It's a three-pillar approach that will that each one of you need to look in to transform and optimize IT. The first one being modernizing infrastructure to unlock the value of data. We'll go into details of each one of it. The second is about automating the delivery and consumption of IT services to deliver a consistent experience from edge to core to cloud. And the third one is protecting against all the cyber threats that persist